Hi, my name is Heather Lewis. I just finished the graduate program at BP and about to roll into a lead as category lead in retail. And I work at the Docklands office, BP head office, obviously. I enjoy working at BP because I get the opportunity to make a positive change every single day. So whether that's as part of my role as a category lead and ensuring that we have a sustainable supply chain, or if it's in working in some of the other initiatives I get to do. One of them is looking after our Reconciliation Action Plan. So that involves working with Indigenous communities and ensuring that BP is working towards reconciliation between Indigenous and non-Indigenous people, and ensuring that we have a workforce that is representative of the diversity and the strength of Australia. I also enjoy the supportive environment that BP provides me, so I'm encouraged to learn and try new things, and everyone is just so nice here. So yeah, that makes me enjoy my job every single day. Through my BP career, I've really developed myself as a person by stretching myself and discovering capabilities in areas I would never have thought possible. For example, I used to be a marketing and design person, and now I work every day with big data and IT and analytics in areas that I would never have dreamed of before. Working at BP is really fun. It's a very casual environment. You know everyone that you work with in the office. I start every day with a coffee and a chat with friends, and then spend the rest of the day collaborating with other teammates. So it's a really enjoyable, collaborative environment.